91 bathroom TV.
TechNow.
TechNow.
So hey guys, today we have Kadane, my best friend, unboxing this Sonos One right now with the Alexa smart speaker technology. He's trying to open it with his keys. So ineffective. I'm just kidding. I gave him the keys.
I almost got it.
You
Don't worry, folks.
You don't have any scissors at the house.
Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Fish cakes. Hold on.
You almost got it. You almost got it.
I know I almost did. Hold on.
There we go. Okay, and then that's the top right there. So all you have to do is just peel that off. Okay, so just peel that off real quick, and we're good to go.
We did it.
So this is the Sonos One. It's a Alexa smart speaker. So the same thing as the Echo Dot, the Echo Plus. It's just with much better sound quality. And as you know, Sonos is a home entertainment company.
This is dope.
So, and their speakers, they have the Play 1, the Play 3, and the Play 5, which is the home theater setup. So it's coming with the manual real quick. Okay, back to the box.
Alright.
We have the Sonos One.
Let's take out the tape.
And this one is in black. I decided to go with black because it matches the home theater setup that I already have. We're setting up the Xbox One X right now. And I have a Sony speaker, unfortunately, which I bought along with the TV, with the Sony TV. I couldn't afford the Sonos back then, but with the discount that I have now, it works.
Let's test it out.
It requires power, buddy.
Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot.
So let's go back in deeper into the box.
Let's go. Let's go.
Underneath the cardboard, we have
We have the charger, guys.
the power cable.
Yeah, whatever.
This thing is not.
And we have the extra part.
The Ethernet cable. Okay, that goes into it if you need this to be hardwired for internet.
Let's see now.
Okay, so that's gonna be all good, guys. We're gonna give some more further testing and review of the Sonos One, but for now, there you guys go.